Hi and welcome to this new player game tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create a new player game account, link it to the Steam one, and start earning PEG by playing your favorite games. First of all, click on the account button on the top right corner of the screen. Now fill the form with your information and click the register button to create your account. And it's done! Your account has been successfully created. Now you can log in your account page by filling the form with your information and clicking the login button. Here you can do a lot of stuff, but today we will focus on two of them. Link the Steam account and use your referral link. To connect your Steam account, click on the Sign in through Steam button. You will be redirected to the official Steam site. Here, fill the form with your data. Don't worry, none of them will be shared with us. Once you connect to your Steam account, you can start earn PEG. To see it, reload the page. If your Steam account is not set to public, we can check your in-game progress, so you will not earn anything. If this happens, you will be warned in your account page. To fix this, open the Steam launcher, go to Profile, then click on Edit Profile, and here go to Privacy Settings. Once you got here, you can set your game information visibility on public. If you have done everything right, now your account page should be like this. Here you can see the PEG you will earn by playing. Last but not least, here is your referral link. By clicking it, you will copy it. You can use it to invite your friends and get 25 PEG each. And now we have finished with this tutorial. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe to YouTube channel.